Hello friends, I am going to dictate you the dictation from GDBIST volume number 4 at the speed of 100 WPM. So be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Madam Deputy Chairman, I have some reservations about some of the policies being pursued by the Defense Ministry. I will come to that point later. In the very beginning, I would like to say that on the question of strengthening the defense of our country, I do not think there are any two opinions in this House. We know that the threat to the country is increasing every day. We know that the threat to the security of our country is increasing. The threat to the independence of our country is increasing. There are no two opinions about that. We have to take into consideration especially the recent developments and the massive help given to Pakistan by the USA. These are the implications, these are the disturbing features which are understandable. There is no doubt about it. When Pakistan is armed in this way, definitely the intention cannot be against Afghanistan or against any other country. The intention is very clear. I think there is no difference of opinion on this score either on this side or on that side. We are very much worried about that development. So, any step taken by the government to strengthen the defense of our country will be welcome from either side. We have no objection about that. It is not on such issues that we have got any difference of opinion. Now that part of the thing is very well explained. Now I want to state my difference with the defense policy of the government. During the debates on the purchase of arms in the last 2 days, certain points have already emerged which we cannot overlook. Firstly, there is the massive purchase of armaments from Western countries in a big way. I never thought that our defense department has gone in such a big way to purchase armaments from the Western countries. There was some misunderstanding on my part. When I understand is that there is this change in our policy. We have decided to go in a big way for all sorts of items. For instance, we are purchasing submarines from West Germany. We are purchasing armaments from France, Britain, etc. Now we are told that we are purchasing even guns from Sweden. That means we are going in a big way for armaments shopping to the Western countries. A total change in our policy. Instead of going to progressive countries, we are going in a big way to the Western countries. I think there is some danger in it because whatever you purchase from the multinational corporations from the Western countries, that will not be a secret. It will be known to all the other countries. There is no doubt about it. If we are purchasing guns from the Western countries, especially from the NATO countries, do you think that it will remain a secret and it will be safe for the defense of our country in future? You talk of tarnishing the name of your Prime Minister. I am concerned about my country and its defense. Don't you think that whatever you purchase from the Western countries will not be known to Pakistan the next day? How are you going to defend your country? That is my point. Whatever sophisticated armaments you purchase from the NATO countries will be immediately known to the other countries which we do not want to know. I do not want to mention the names of the countries. I do not want to say that China is our enemy. I do not want to say that Pakistan is our enemy. I do not want to speak in that language. I do not think it is proper to speak like that. We must be aware of our security environment. That I agree. But considering China as our enemy, Pakistan as our enemy, is it politics? I ask you. I do not want to join this issue like that. What I am afraid is that if we go in for more and more purchases from the Western countries, that too from the multinational corporations operating in the NATO countries, that is a danger to the defense of our country. That is my contention. There is a policy change in this. Whenever we speak about the foreign policy of a country, it has got closer relations with the defense policy of the same country. There is a contradiction appearing to me. Our foreign policy is a non aligned foreign policy. It is quite acceptable to our country, but our defense policy is going in a different direction, especially on the purchase of armaments. I accept it, but I have got my own doubts. After my speech, the Honorable Minister can reply. I will read out this portion since he has spoken like that. In the speech made in the Lok Sabha, the Honorable Minister for Defence has stated that so far as the total value of the contract is concerned, it was rupees 1000 crores, and this includes the guns, the towing vehicles, and ammunition. I do not know why you have signed such an agreement with the Beffers company. What compulsions were there? I can understand your going in for guns, but you have gone in for purchase of ammunition. You have purchased fire control instruments, 5 years of spares and technical literature from that particular company. What does it mean? It means that you are depending more and more for so many items on Western countries, on multinationals in Western country, not only from government to government level, but from private companies and multinational companies which are trying to destroy your country. You must understand that you are speaking against imperialism and all that and aligning with leftist forces, but you are shopping armaments from Western countries. That is why I say there is a change in the policy. I would have agreed to your doing so if they were very urgent.